Straight off these Vertical Valley floors. $10,000 robes. Top, you already know, son. You know how we live. Bezo. We do this shit for the, you understand me? Big money shit. But that Hero Drive chopper boy coming out the top, he let out shots right up the block. Yeah, I remember that too. Youngest nigga posted on the block, told him that. With a small sack, now he got a bigger bag, and he just won't thank God. Anytime we hustle different ways. One's up in the grave and got thugs inside the cave. I'm stuck up in the streets and pray he don't take my life away. Wish you was here to see how everything changed. Raising the boys home, junk is a cell phone. We living that street life, we thuggin' but dead wrong. We ducking the Jake niggas, but shooting at fake niggas. We living this drug life, the money we make, nigga. Thuggin' it every day, we shooting in hallways. No plan, no fam, nigga. We standing on what we say, we boss, nigga. And we do it like every day, no cost, nigga. Give a fuck about what they say, and I miss my mama, and I miss my daddy. I miss my brother, I watch him riding that caddy. I miss my blood, and I miss that love. And I miss my cousin, I watch him die in his pain. Hero Drive chopper boy coming out the top, he let out shots right up the block. Yeah, I remember that too. Youngest nigga posted on the block, told him that. With a small sack, now he got a bigger bag, and he just won't thank God. Anytime we hustle different ways. One's up in the grave and got thugs inside the cave. I'm stuck up in the streets and pray he don't take my life away. Wish you was here to see how everything changed. I remember man the street with a nigga bag, every day was bad. Me and J boy sitting in the trap back and forth, right after that all night hustling. I done did time down all alone. Seen you weren't around when I made it home. Riding in a drop on the same block, they killed my cousin. And I done sing out my heart soul. Can't get my foot out the streets like I got shackles on. Dump over 15 million I done made since you been gone. Plus I ain't been blowing up my daddy, I been living on my own. I thought once I set the plot, dead around was I wouldn't chop. Couple blocks and I heard the shot. This be bustin' tryna stop. Gotta watch over every penny, can't think about nothing. I'm gon' push shit in the cemetery and ball for my dead pond. Hero Drive chopper boy coming out the top, he let out shots right up the block. Yeah, I remember that too. Youngest nigga posted on the block, told him that. With a small sack, now he got a bigger bag, and he just won't thank God. Anytime we hustle different ways. One's up in the grave and got thugs inside the cave. I'm stuck up in the streets and pray he don't take my life away. Wish you was here to see how everything changed. Simple, put it on it. My life on it, my mama on it. Playing no games, nigga. Stay focused, boy. Ain't no slipping in this paper. Real rich nigga shit. Big money, off of them hills. High in them hills. Rich gang.